Hello, and welcome to the program where you learn real English through everyday conversations. I'm Henry.
And I'm Sam. Hello there. Today we've got a subject we all know far too well: shopping. And of course, some useful English along the way.
So Sam, let me ask you something. Have you ever walked into a shop for just one thing and walked out with a bag full of things you never planned to buy?
Oh, all the time. I go in for milk and somehow I come home with biscuits, a new mug and a plant I don't need.
You're not alone. And that is our topic today, the psychology of shopping. We'll learn 5 natural phrases that English speakers use when they talk about shopping and spending. But first, here's today's question. It's true or false? Shops deliberately design their layout, lighting, and music to make you buy more. True or false?
I'd say false. Surely a shop just puts things on shelves and hopes for the best.
We'll find out at the end of the program. Keep it in mind. So, let's begin. Imagine you're walking past a shop window. You see something lovely and suddenly you really, really want it. When you feel that strong pull to buy something, we say you feel tempted.
So to feel tempted means that little voice inside saying, "Go on, buy it," even when you didn't plan to.
Exactly. A bright display, a lovely smell, a friendly sign. They're all there to make you feel tempted. And the more tempted you feel, the more you spend. Now, sometimes we don't buy at all. We just enjoy looking. We stroll past the shops, admiring the clothes and the shoes in the windows, with no money leaving our pocket. In English, we call this window shopping.
So window shopping means just looking at the lovely things in the shops without actually buying anything?
That's it. A lot of people love window shopping on a quiet afternoon. It costs nothing, though, of course, the shops rather hope it turns into buying.
But Henry, why do people buy so much in the first place? What makes us spend even when we don't really need anything?
Good question. Sometimes we shop not because we need something, but because we've had a hard day and we want to feel better. Buying something to cheer yourself up, we call that retail therapy.
So when people say they're doing a bit of retail therapy, they mean they're shopping to lift their mood, to feel happier.
Precisely. A tough week at work, some sad news, and suddenly a new jacket feels like a little treat. Retail therapy can be fun in small doses, but it's wise to watch how much you spend.
But what about those moments when you know you shouldn't buy something, and yet somehow you buy it anyway?
A familiar feeling. When something is so tempting that you simply have to have it, no matter what your head says, we say you cannot resist it.
So to say you cannot resist something means you just can't stop yourself, even when you know you probably should.
Yes, that warm bread by the door, that chocolate at the till. Shops place them there because they know you cannot resist. It's clever and it's completely deliberate. And there's one word that pulls us in more than any other. When the price of something is lowered, say from £20 to £10, we say the item has been marked down.
Marked down. So that's when a shop lowers the price and the thing is suddenly cheaper than it was before.
Exactly. When we see something marked down, we feel we're getting a bargain, and that feeling is powerful. Sometimes we buy the marked down thing just because it's cheaper, not because we need it. Now, back to today's question. I asked, true or false? Shops deliberately design their layout, lighting, and music to make you buy more. Sam, you said false.
I did. Was I wrong?
Actually, it's true. Stores carefully plan their layout, lighting, music, and even the smells in the air, all to keep you inside longer and encourage you to spend more.
Amazing. So the whole shop is quietly nudging me to buy.
It is. Right, let's recap today's 5 phrases. First, tempted. Feeling that you really want to buy something.
Then window shopping. Looking at things in shops without buying anything.
Retail therapy. Shopping to make yourself feel happier.
Cannot resist. When you just can't stop yourself. And marked down. When something has been made cheaper than before.
So tell us, what is one thing you always feel tempted to buy? Let us know in the comments.
And don't forget to subscribe to Ninja English for a new episode every week. Bye for now.